So just to complete the Origin product, the great thing with Origin as a brand, as a company, not only are they UK manufactured, but we also sell the benefits of having a one-stop shop with Origin where they can complete the glazing for the whole of your home. So the entrance doors is the sort of final bit on the list. Now Origin, like many aluminium suppliers, do sell a lot of contemporary style doors, but doesn't mean to say you can't go for something a bit more traditional. And we've got the full range of styles in their brochure if anyone wants to request one on the website. But all the ones in the showroom that we're going to look at today just gives you a bit more of a flavour for the sort of contemporary feel options that they've got. So here we've got the Key E02 panel, which mixes both the sort of black finish along with some brushed stainless horizontal bars into the door and a vertical detail. Again, you know, this is one of many options. You can configure it with a handle. Some people prefer more of the long bar handle detail with a sort of townhouse lock. Now just remember with the townhouse lock, especially on the inside, if you don't have the bar both sides, it's sometimes advisable to go for an additional doorknob as well, just to help pull the door to when you are sort of opening and closing it. Just gives you a bit more leverage to work with. Now this one does have the long handle both sides, which is optional. Some people prefer to have it just on the one side, but as I say, sometimes just worth advising if you are just looking to operate the townhouse lock to have an additional doorknob as well, just to give you a bit of a additional bit of leverage to be able to open and close it. Various colours again and styles that we talk about all can be, you know, matched to the windows, or you can contrast them to a different colour. Equally, you might go for a different frame to the door slab itself. That can be done. So yeah, we can really play around with that for you. We've got our own door designer where we can overlay it onto your property if you want to have a bit of a sort of play with different styles and colours as well. So yeah, if anyone is interested in just a new front door for their house, drop us a line on email and we can get that priced up for you.